I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on KuCoin with a debit card. First, log into your KuCoin account and navigate to the Buy Crypto section. You'll find options to purchase various digital assets using different payment methods. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire and specify your preferred fiat currency for the transaction. This initial step sets up your purchase. Once you're in the Buy Crypto area, you'll typically see options like Fast Buy or Third-Party Payment. Choose the one that suits your needs. Then, clearly confirm the exact cryptocurrency you want to buy, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's crucial to double-check that debit card is highlighted as your chosen payment method before proceeding to the next step. Now, input the precise amount of fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, that you intend to spend. The system will then display a summary of your order, including the cryptocurrency amount you'll receive, any associated fees, and the current exchange rate. Take a moment to carefully review all these details. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction to complete your purchase. Before you buy, remember to check the daily transaction limits, which can vary. Also, be aware of any processing fees that might apply, either from KuCoin or the third-party payment provider. For larger purchases or increased flexibility, you may need to complete identity verification, often referred to as KYC. This helps ensure a smooth and secure buying experience on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.